Hi, this is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a really quick French onion soup. I'm going to be bringing different soup combinations, and I want to bring something with crostini. It's a type of bread that you could buy, and once you buy it, it usually lasts for like a month after you buy it. You can put it in salads, all kinds of soup. You could actually in your pan, if you're doing scrambled eggs and other stuff, add it in there. So you'll see that crostini many times in the future. So this one is basically like a semi homemade meal. It's nothing made from scratch. It's not a 30 or 40 minute recipe. It's just something that you could take at your house and put it together. So with the recipe, we're going to be using provolone cheese later. We got this onion. We're going to fry up the onion, and once it gets going, we're going to add some Marcella to that, and it'll add some extra taste to that. We're using the French onion soup base. You can buy whatever type you want to use. It's a lot easier if you buy this instead of making your own. But if you want to make your own, you could use beef broth and find the recipe on the net or on YouTube. And here's that crostini bread. It's really good. You're going to see that here, and then you'll probably see it a couple more times. So let's get started. We're going to take this onion, cut it up, and we're going to put it in with some avocado oil, and we're just going to get that warmed up and translucent. Then once that's done, we'll add the Marcella wine. Alright, so we got those onions cut. It's better to do more than what you think you need, because it's hard to go back and redo it once you're going. So take the avocado spray, put it in there, and take your onions and just toss that in there. Put the heat on medium, and we want to start getting these soft. You want to see some color going into there, and you want to get them translucent. So just do that, and once it's done, we'll add the Marcella wine. Alright, so while those are cooking away, you can hear the sizzle and see the steam. Take this French onion soup base and pour it in your pot. And the thing you're going to want to do is put that on low and just let it simmer a little bit, warm up while you're doing the other stuff. I'm only going to make 1 or 2 bowls of this. I'm not making it for a family, but you could adjust everything to your likes, to your family. So I got that in there. Like I said, we used avocado spray because it doesn't change the taste of food. And with this, we want this to get translucent, and we want to add the Marcella. If you want with this broth, you could add some garlic if you want, just to add a little bit of kick. So be back when these onions are done. Yeah, just to add some more flavor into there, I added some garlic into that pan, and I put some into the soup base. So we're almost there. Alright, so you can see how these onions are. We're going to turn the pan down to low. We're going to take whatever Marcella wine you want. You can just watch, because sometimes there's a like a splash over, or whatever you want to call it. See what I'm talking about? Pour it in there. And just start working that for a couple minutes with it being on low. Alright, so we got our bowl for later. And don't laugh, I love this bowl. These are the old Kellogg's bowls. So I'll turn it around. We're going to use that. Right now we have that Marcella wine in there. We're going to want to turn this up to medium and start working it. Try to evaporate this Marcella wine. If you can't, we'll drain it. If you really wanted to, you could add that into the French onion broth if you wanted to. So, but you can tell right now it's starting to evaporate. So, just keep doing this. Once that's done, we'll throw in the broth into our pan. You can see that the garlic came to the top. We'll throw that in. I mean, we'll take the broth and put it in our bowl. Put crostini in there. Then we'll put in some of these onions, and then we'll put it with cheese, and we're done. It makes for a good soup for your child or yourself. Alright, so we got that on medium. You can see that it's going to evaporate, so this is the last step. This will be done, and then see you at the bowl. All right, so you can see how that Marsala wine evaporated. Use whatever you want. Just stir that a bit. But that's good. We have the broth in here, and we have the crostini. This is the bread I was talking about. You can do many things with this. You can make little grilled cheese, bruschetta, put it in chicken soup, salad, many things. So we're gonna start by putting some of these onions in. So put some onions into your soup. For demonstration, I'm only gonna use one bowl. So just add in the amount of onions that works for you. All right, so you can see the steam coming off of this, and this is the amount of onions that perfect for me. So the thing you're going to want to do next is take this crostini. You could either place it in like there, or break it up into chunks. So you see how it is, and like I said, that can make for some really good soup other places. I mean, for other soup recipes and other stuff. But look at that. So there's your crostini, and now let's just put the cheese on, and then we're done. All right, so your final step is to take the provolone, throw that in there, and you could let the soup melt it, or just put it in the oven. We'll go to the oven and we'll be done. All right, Facebook and YouTube, that's how you make your semi-homemade French onion soup. We got provolone on there. If you want it, you could add more cheese, but you could just dip your fork or spoon in there now and get cheese in the bread. So that's how you make a quick and easy semi-homemade French onion soup. So thanks for visiting my channel. This is Wednesday's upload. Not sure what I'm going to bring for Friday. You be safe. See you soon. Love you. Dan Soy. Peace.